time to elevate.
'Cause I came straight from out the slums, so I need a check like them Jordan ones. I swear it's for all of my day ones out here making bread, but they came from crumbs.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Pastor Bennie, and you have tuned into Do-It-Yourself Credit Sweeps with Pastor Bennie. And the quick tip today is trade lines. Trade lines. You want to get more trade lines because you want more credit to show up on your credit report. The more credit that you have in comparison to the debt that you owe, all right, this causes your FICO score to go up. This is a part of the formula to get that FICO score to grow up. So you want to go open an account with Fingerhut, Oxford Publishing, My Jewelry Club. The list goes on and on. I'll post the list to these different trade lines. I'll show you how you can get $15, $20, $50, $60, $80,000 of available credit to help boost your FICO score. And this is all going to help while you're doing that credit sweep, while you're getting all those negative things off of your credit report. You're going to be boosting up your FICO score because your credit debt to credit availability ratio, all right, that is going to cause your credit score to boost up. I've seen people do it in like 100 plus credit score goes up 100 plus points. I think the most I've seen someone is about 185 points. Who cannot use an extra 185 points? All right, so while you're doing that sweeping, once you get the sweeping done, you want to open up trade lines, right? All right. Find someone that will allow you to be an authorized user. Make sure that they have never been late on that credit card. All right. If you have a family member, if you have a friend that can add you as an authorized user on their trade line, then that's what you want to do. If not, then hey, you're going to have to employ the system in order to escape the system. Listen, if you want to escape the system, you have to employ the system. You have to make the system work for you. And this is one way for us to make the system work for us so we can boost up those FICO scores. So again, you want to boost up that FICO score? Open up some trade line accounts. Be responsible. Don't use them. Just sign up for them. Okay, I think like Oxford Publishing, I think it's like a $95 or $99 investment. That's how I look at it, as this is an investment into your future. Again, we're all about living the abundant life. All right, we understand the spiritual side of it, but also we don't want to be walking around poor. We want to employ the system, make the system work for us, get that credit score going so we can be in a better position to get a loan, to start that business, to get that house, to pay for the children's college tuition. We want to be in a better position, all right? So we want to sweep around our own front door before you sweep around mine. That's right. We want to get a good, clean credit sweep. We want to get those negative things off of our credit and get that FICO score to boost up. So listen, you're going to have to get that credit cleaned up. And if you want to do it, I encourage you to do it yourself. Stop paying credit repair agencies who are only going to string you along, and they're only going to do one or two things at a time just to make that money off of you. And man, just stop being lazy and do it yourself. It's so easy. I got the do-it-yourself credit sweep kit for you guys with all the information that you need to do this stuff yourself. That comes along with the videos and comes along with access to me. So if you have any questions, I'm gonna answer every single question that you have. All right, who can't use better credit. All right. I know some of you guys are watching me. You have bad credit. You have terrible credit. You have poor credit. You have fair credit, good credit, excellent credit. No matter what kind of credit you have, it can always be better. And that's what I want to help you do. I am on my journey to bettering my credit even the more as we speak. And I want to take you along in this journey. And so if you want the kit, if you want to know how you can easily do it yourself, listen, I'm not trying to hide anything from you. All right. But I have the knowledge. I want to share it with you. Put a value on the knowledge. Hey, you can go and get the kit for $25. Go to DIYcreditsweeps.com. It'll lead you over to the Facebook page. You can purchase the kit. I'll take care of you. I promise. I got you. I'll take care of you. Everything that I know, I'm going to share it with you. All right. I'm going to share it with you. So head over, get that kit out. Listen, you're going to order your credit report. I'm going to give you the game. All right. I'm going to give you an overview of the game. That's what I do. I don't mind giving people the game. So I'm going to give you the game right here in this video. I was going to make it a separate video, but I'm going to give it to you. This is what you're going to do. This is the overview. If you want the details, you have to get the kit. You're going to order your credit report. Everything that is on your credit report, 99.9% of the time, it is not going to be accurate. The people that are saying that you owe them money are not the people that you owe money to, all right? And that is by law, all right? We want to do everything based on the law, okay? We don't want to do anything unlawful, all right? All right, that's just how I am. That's just who I am. I don't want to do anything unlawful. So, but because of the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, all right, you can do this. You're going to dispute those negative things, right? You're going to do it in writing. You want to handwrite the letter, right? You want to put the account numbers and the creditors' names and the old addresses. You want to get that off of there. The old employers, you want to get that off of there. You want to get all this negative stuff that is not accurate off of your credit report. You're going to write all that stuff down. You're going to send in the letter to the credit bureaus, to all three major credit bureaus, and you're going to send the letters in, and you're going to send them in certified mail. So you will have a time stamp receipt of when they received it. They have 30 days to stamp a response to you. All right. And you want to make sure that they are validating the information, not verifying your information, but validating the debt. That's what you want them to do, to validate the debt. All right. And when they can't validate the debt, because I promise you, 99.9% of the information that is on your credit report is erroneous. It is not correct, and it has to be 100% accurate in order for it to be on your credit report. And that is according to our government legislation. All right. According to the FCRA, everything has to be 100% accurate. Now, and then when they can't validate it, they're going to have to take it off of your credit report, completely take it off of your credit report, completely take it off your credit report. I'm talking about bankruptcies. I'm talking about liens. I'm talking about old medical bills, utility bills, every single thing that's on there that is not 100% accurate on your credit report is going to have to be taken off. All right. No questions asked. They're going to have to take it off. So that is the overview. If you want the details, then you're going to have to get the kit. Plain and simple. All right. If you want access to my mentorship, and I'm going to share the same information with you, the detailed information and the detailed steps that I have taken and that I am taking on that road to the 800 credit score, 850. I want to try to get the highest. That's really what I want to do. I want to do my best to get that highest 850. I know one person in my life who's very close to that. And man, I want to get to it. I want to also rub shoulders with that person. If that person is watching, you know who you are, and I'm not going to put you out there because we're not going to tell everybody's business, but I know who you are. You know who you are. Amen. Amen. And hopefully the Do-It-Yourself Credit Sweeps family will be there with me. All right. Listen, we want to get that 850, but hey, if we can get to 750, 760, oh man, you talking about a new life, right? You're talking about a new life. So, all right, guys, that is going to be it. That's my tip for you today. Get some trade lines, all right? I'm going to post them. Look out for the next video. I'm going to let you know what those trade lines are. And as I always say, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy credit. Sweep around your own front door. All right, guys. Peace.
It's time to elevate.